Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I bought while I was traveling in Spain. I love shopping if you can't tell, but I love shopping in different parts of the world, different countries, because you just see different things that you don't see where you're from. So it's my favorite thing to do because I like to find unique items if I can. So I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys the few items that I found while I was in Spain. So this will be a little bit of a haul, a little bit of a special unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but before we jump in, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button so you guys never miss out on a video. I upload twice a week, fashion and beauty, and if you're already subscribed, go ahead and hit that little bell so you guys get a notification whenever I upload. And with that being said, let's go ahead and show you guys what I found in Spain. So I don't know what it is about Europe, well actually I do, but when I'm there I just love to dress like so elegant, so put together, all in creams, white, tans. I love to wear scarves, so when I'm there I try to pick up some of those items because I just absolutely love that style. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is the additions to my scarf collection because I picked up like 4. So I'm going to make it quick. I got this beautiful colored silk scarf that has like a pleating throughout it, and you can just wrap it around and you have like a beautiful bright silk scarf. Oh, and I found these at a few different stores. They're just like little accessory stores. So these were all like maybe $10, which is amazing. And it was really cold when we were there, so I needed to pick up a few things that I could like layer. So this one came in handy because I brought a lot of pink and tans with me. So it's just a beautiful printed scarf, soft, cute, and neutral with a hint of pink, which is right up my alley. And then I just picked up like a white cream scarf. Just wanted like a white basic scarf to travel with, and it's thin and perfect just for throwing in my bag, and yeah. And then the last scarf is this beautiful black leopard scarf, and I just thought it'd be fun to like tie it around my neck. I could tie it in my hair around a ponytail. I just love scarves as an accessory. And a little trick when traveling, especially if you're gone for a long time, is to bring scarves to mix up your outfits. So I could wear the same blue jeans with like a white sweater or like a white t-shirt and just keep changing my scarves, and it looks like a different outfit. Bring a bunch of scarves. So I might have went a little crazy at Calzedonia. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but it is a tight store over in Europe. First I got these pretty tights. They are just like sheer with like polka dots and a little bit of like a lace detail. Cheetah print because I thought that was pretty. Pink little socks to like come out of like tennis shoes. Tan fishnets because I wanted them. I got black fishnets. And then I got these cute little black socks. They would come up just over your ankle, and they have cute little tulle detail with like polka dots. And I thought that was a fun little addition to add to my sock collection. I didn't know I had a sock collection, but now I do. Next, I made a stop into Mango, and it was so hard not to buy everything in there because I wanted so much more than I did, but something I didn't have was just like a white oversized blazer, or I guess this is like more of a ivory, and I just wanted something simple and cute. This jacket just has one single button and it fits really cute and loose, so I thought this is fun just to add in. Zara in Europe is just so much better in my opinion. I don't know if they just buy different or I just like shopping at Zara while I'm there, but Zara is just awesome. And everything seems to be cheaper. Does anybody know why that is? Like these pants were $30 and I looked online in the US and they were $50. So I don't know. Anyways, I got these beautiful pink pants. They are like a pair of dress pants. They're high-waisted and they're more of like a cigarette or like a skinny leg, which I liked, and I just loved the color. It's like a pale pink, almost like a nude pale pink, and I just thought they were really pretty and elegant. I'm a sucker for trousers. I think they're just such a great alternative to jeans. So switch out a pair of trousers for a pair of jeans and your outfit will look totally different. So try it, I recommend it. The last item I found at Zara was this beautiful white, it's very, very long, it's a button-down dress. Now it is very see-through, like you can see me through it almost, but it's like an embroidered material, so it's almost like a lace, but it is just like a thin material with embroidered detail. I saw myself just wearing it open, like with the pair of trousers, pair of jeans, a white t-shirt, white tank top, or I saw it as a swimsuit cover-up, worn open or buttoned. I just thought it was a great piece to travel with because I can dress it up, I can dress it down, and it was just beautiful. It was like, I saw it hanging there and I'm like, I need that. Guys, we have made it to the unboxing part of this video. You guys have no idea how excited, how freaking excited I am. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna put this up here. This is happening, this happened. Ah! gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, I can't even. Guys, this, I'm literally like freaking out still. It's been like 2 weeks and I'm still freaking out. Oh my gosh. So, as you guys read in the title, this is the unboxing of my dream Chanel purse. Like, guys, the fact that I'm even saying that, the fact that I have this box in my hand, the fact that I'm able to do this video and share this moment with you is absolutely insane. I'm holding my dream Chanel purse. Like, what? What? Ah! And the amount of times that I've actually screamed about this since Spain is countless. Okay, so I have never done like a luxury unboxing on my channel. I did film the original unboxing like when I was in Spain, like because I wanted to wear it while I was there because I've already worn it. I couldn't resist, I couldn't wait. So I will insert that footage as well so you guys can see like the original unboxing, but I am gonna unbox it with you guys. I packed it back up because it was just so cool that I wanna experience it again with you guys. So let's unbox this Chanel. Ah! I'm sorry if I scream a lot, but this is just like, no words.
It's just, I started crying. They're bringing champagne, so it'll make
Thank
it a little,
God.
yeah, there you go.
Oh my god, wait, I don't really want to undo this. How do you?
I know. Good luck. You're not gonna be able to wait.
Yeah. No way.
Why do I feel like this person's gonna always be kept in the box when it's not?
It's gonna be kept on the shelf for sure. What is this? No way. Even the bag is beautiful. The dust bag. Even the dust bag has like the quilting on it.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That's awesome. Break the seal.
I don't know if I want to. So carefully, it's unreal.
This probably never put anybody in packages carefully before. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I want to cry again,
It's
but I don't know
yours.
if I can because I'm so happy, but I'm crying on the inside. My heart's pounding, like pounding.
Will you use it while you're in Spain or no?
Of course.
She doesn't want to.
Oh. Serious. You get to carry it every day. The little Barbie bag.
Oh my god.
I love you.
I love you. It's pink.
Yeah. It's very pink.
I'm so happy. The first thing you see here is this pretty little flower. I think there's actually a name. Then we have the beautiful little bow. Oh my gosh, guys. So we have the beautiful black box. It's just simple, so pretty. So we're gonna open it. And like I said, I've already opened this, so the sticker is no longer sticky. So it has a beautiful little sticker here. So I just have to say, the packaging detail that Chanel does is absolutely like impeccable. I have never seen a company package their bags like this. It is stunning and it makes it really, really special. I have to admit, like when I opened this the first time, I was like, this is an amazing moment. They make it so special, which is pretty amazing. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. So this is my Chanel classic flat bag in the size jumbo in the color pink. And when I say pink, I mean like hot pink, like Barbie pink. Like this is my dream Chanel bag. I can't believe I'm holding my dream Chanel bag. Like what? Whenever I would like dream of getting a Chanel, I always thought my first bag would be like a classic beige or a white or maybe a black one. I never thought that they would make like the perfect pink bag. So when I saw it, I literally was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What do I do? What do I do? Oh my gosh, it's everything I've ever wanted in a bag. It's hot pink, it's Chanel, it's classic, it's the classic flat bag. It's just stunning. And the metal on it is the mixed metal, so it's actually like a light gold. So why I liked it is I could wear it with gold, I could wear it with silver, I could mix and match it, which I liked. So again, when I saw this, I was like, I think I need that bag. And the rest is history. So I'm just gonna take you through the bag so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. So we have the little CC detail here. You just turn it and it opens, and this is the double flap. I have the black protection. It's just a piece of felt in here. So we just take that out, and it is the double flap. So you have a pocket back here. You have a zipper pocket where I keep the authenticity card, and I just put that in there. And then you're gonna take out the tissue. You have a inside pocket, which is perfect for like phones or anything that you need quick access to. And then we have more tissue paper. And my favorite part about this bag is how many pockets and sections there are. I love when I can keep a bag organized. So in here, so it's kind of hard to show, but inside you have one big section, and then you have two inside pockets, which are perfect for like lipsticks or anything that you need in those pockets. Last little detail that I absolutely love is having the outside pocket. Just be careful when you put your phone in, because if you have like the plus size, it doesn't fully fit. So you just want to be careful with that, but I love the back pocket. And honestly, everything that I need fits in this purse. My wallet, my planner, my hand lotion, you know, all the little makeup things, anything you need can fit in here. Here's the reason why I went with the jumbo size. The classic flap small, I couldn't fit anything in. That's more of like a nighttime bag for like a card and maybe your phone if you can fit it in there. And then the medium, again, was just a little bit smaller than I like. I personally like bigger bags. It's honestly like the perfect necessity bag for me. I can carry this out at night, I can wear it to events, I can travel with it, I can do everything I need in this, and it's big enough I can carry all the necessities without switching out my wallet, without limiting things that I need to bring. So I absolutely fell in love with this size, and it's like the perfect bring everything you need bag. I'm absolutely in love with the size, the color, the functionality, all the pockets, the straps. It's just a very versatile bag, and I love how classic it is, but the color is such a pop. I just can't believe I own this bag. I can't believe I'm holding it. I can't believe it's mine. I love this bag. This is everything I've ever wanted from a Chanel bag. A pink Chanel bag is like, it's just, guys, I have no words. Like, this is my dream bag. It's beautiful. I just love that I can wear it on my shoulder. I can wear it crossbody. I just have so many different ways I can wear it. And I just can't believe that I added a pink Chanel into my collection. I can't believe I added a Chanel into my collection. None less a pink Chanel. I'm happy, and it's just an exciting moment, and guys, I'm not kidding. I literally scream like that every time I see this bag because it's just, it's stunning. It is a stunning color. I hope the color comes across on the screen because it is amazing. I forgot to tell you guys, I got the caviar leather. This is the, see guys, I'm new to this unboxing thing. So yes, it is the caviar leather, so it's really resistant and it looks stunning, and it almost has like a sheen to it, so it almost looks like really shiny. Now I don't know if all of their bags do that, or if it's just the way that the caviar looks on this pink color. Maybe you guys can correct me and like lend some information if you guys have a Chanel or know more about the caviar. Like, is it always shiny, or is it just how it looks on this color? Oh, and the best part was the CC had like a little plastic piece on it, and for the first 2 days I didn't take it off, and finally Sawyer looked at me and was like, babe, you have to take off that plastic piece. And I was like, why? I want it to look perfect. And he was like, people are gonna think that you just took the purse. You still have all the wrappings on it. Take it off.
You ready?
Yeah, it's a little scary.
Go and pull off that plastic.
Okay. It's fine.
Congratulations. Now it can get scratched and life's in your hands. It's a beautiful bag.
I'm so excited. Guys, I can't stop looking at it. It is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end this little haul and special unboxing here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I bought in Spain and enjoyed seeing my first luxury unboxing. Okay, the last time I'm gonna scream like that, I promise. But I do hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to see more unboxings about bags or shoes or anything like that, I thoroughly enjoy this type of videos. I love watching these videos and I had fun making this video. So if you guys would like to see more like luxury unboxings, let me know. And if you guys would like to see like a review of this bag after I've used it, maybe like 2 or 3 months, to see how I like how it works and what I put in it and like the functionalities of this purse, I would love to do that as well. So maybe I'll start doing like a little bit more of those types of videos. So go ahead and let me know if you guys would like to see that type of content down in the comments below. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and do so right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so happy again that I could share this experience with you guys and unbox this purse with you guys, because I'm not gonna say it again. Just so excited. Okay, but that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Ah! Okay, I swear that's the last time I'm gonna scream. Ah! Oh my God.